I'm going to show you how to create a ChatGPT agent. So first open up ChatGPT and make sure you're signed into your account. Now also make sure your account has a paid plan, otherwise you won't be able to access this section from here probably. So you can click on more on the left panel and then click on GPTs. Now on the left side at the very top you should find here create button. Just click on it. And on the left side, you will be able to create a GPT agent. And then you will need to write your prompt. So for example, make an agent who helps me analyze sheets, files, and extract important information. And then just send the prompt. And then it will ask you to name the agent. So you can simply either pick a name or agree to the suggested name. And then it will ask you for what kind of spreadsheets or work you'll need to do with this agent, and you can basically explain and give it more context. So for example, for this sake of this video, I'm gonna just choose one of these and provide the info. And then it's basically guiding you through the setup with questions so you can answer and even add more context if you need to. And then it will ask you to upload example files to test it. And during the setup process, it will ask you to try in the preview window on the right side. And once you've tested it and finished, you can simply click on the create button on the top right side and then select whether it's only for you or can be available. And it will basically give you this link, which you can copy or click on view GPT. And this will take you to a new page where your GPT agent is selected. And if you want to access it, you can simply press more here and select GPTs and then My GPTs. And you should find it under this list. So you can simply click on it and it will basically be selected and open a new chat. And then you can start using it by giving it prompts and attaching files. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and see you on the next one.